Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about my small haul that I got from Miss Jessie's a few months ago, and I'm just now getting around to it. And I said, you know what? It is time to show some of my cool products that I got, and I wanted to, look like this when I did it. Now, I got some spray. You girls know I like me some color spray. I'm gonna put some color spray in my hair because I don't like the way my lips look with my eyeshadow, and I believe if I add this color in, it'll really tie everything together. I can't see the name of it right now, but I will have it in the description box and probably on the screen. Ooh, that's pretty. It's dark though. It's real dark. Can you see it? No, can't hardly see it. You girls and guys know I have to be extra and do something different. How does it look? Oh well. It doesn't really matter because it's not about this hairspray anyway. So, are you guys distracted by my grill? I have a grill, guys. I got a grill a couple months ago too. I said for my 50th birthday, I'm going to get a grill, but I didn't make it to my 50th birthday. I got it right before I turned 49. I just turned 49 in October, and I just couldn't wait to just put it on and show you guys, okay? So I have a grill on my canines, and I hope you guys don't get distracted from it. So let's get with the video. So guys, I only have a few items, and I think I'm going to start with Miss Jessie's Hold Me Down. I think this is the edge control. Yeah, this is the hair gel. It's got two little muscles on the side. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I can see right now it's kind of hard for me to pronounce this and isses with these teeth in my head. Oh boy. It's so clear. It looked like it's not really anything in the jar. So this is what I'm gonna do first. I'm going to take this comb and I'm gonna make my part a little bit straighter. So yeah guys, you know I'm in the Greasy Baby Challenge, so I have not been wearing my hair out. I just took my braids down today so I can re-braid it or something, and then I ran out of time and said forget it. So yes, I'm still participating in the Greasy Baby Challenge, and I will be re-braiding my hair. Okay, so this is the edge control, the hold me down edge control. Man, this stuff is sticky. It feels like, oh man, this feels like some kind of real hard glue. It's holding down these edges though. I think I like this. Oh yes, baby. Wow. That looks good. It's shiny though. It is shiny. Woo-wee! It looks like clear plastic. I ain't never had no gel like this before. No wonder they had muscles on here. So I'm gonna take my brush and see if it'll. Oh boy, it's starting to harden up. Oh, it's starting to harden up. It's starting to harden up real quick. All right, so there we go. This is the Hold Me Down gel. Man, this is the bomb. I'll have everything in the description box as far as prices and stuff like that. Okay. So next, I wondered if they have a sale. I can't remember if they had a sale. Anyway, had I just waited, I probably could have got the buy one get one free Christmas sale thing. But anyway, I got the baby buttercream. This is the sweetest baby buttercream period. And I believe this is a moisturizer. So let's open it up. It sure is taking me a long time to get this thing off. They got this thing so well sealed. Good Lord. They're making sure nothing leaks out. This looks like ranch dip. Oh, it smells good too. It smells very sweet. So this is what it looks like. So let's take, let's see what it feels like. Yes, it does smell sweet. And yeah, I can't wait to use that. So maybe we can do a review or just a try on, or what. Can you try on conditioner? I don't know. Can you try on moisturizer? What is this? I don't know. We're going to play with this so we can see exactly what it does. So here goes the curly buttercream. This is something, a moisturizer or conditioner. I'll have it on the screen because I can't see. But anyway, so what it looks like. So I'm assuming this is something to make my hair curl. I don't usually use styling butters and curly stuff because I don't wear my hair those kind of styles. But that's what that looks like. Why is my phone ringing? I'll be happy my phone is ringing because my power was out for about an hour and a half and I didn't have nobody to talk to. I had to get on my cell phone to call somebody. So next up is my rapid recovery treatment. You guys seen this before. This is just a conditioner. This is to help restore moisture back to your hair. And this is a really good moisturizer, guys. So if I really want that juicy feel in my hair, I know I can go to this. Oh man, they have these things sealed up so tight. But anyway, that's what this looks like. This is my favorite conditioner here with Miss Jessie's. Consistency is light and buttery and fluffy. Yeah, I had to get that too. I'm gonna put this back. Don't want to waste nothing. Oh, so moving along, we're gonna go to the tall bottles. I do have the Miss Jessie's Curl So Fresh spray stuff. I don't know what this is for either, but I'm assuming it wants me to refresh my curls because this curl is so fresh. I wonder, can I refresh my curls like this? What this pump be doing? I ain't never seen no bottle like this before. What the hell kind of bottle is this? I ain't worried about this right now. I don't even know how to open that thing up. We're gonna go to the next thing. Moving on. So I do have the Bader. So I do have the baby buttercream. What is Bader? The baby buttercream. And this is a moisturizing, what that? This is a moisturizer, I think. I'll have this on the screen too because I cannot see. I cannot see. So yeah, what does this look like? Oh. What does this look like? What does it smell like? Oh. Ah! Woo-wee! This came out so liquidy. Liquidy. What in the world is liquidy? That's what they say on YouTube. Liquidy and mustardy. I'm assuming it's a moisturizer, so let's just put some more because I need it anyway. It's been so cold and dry here in St. Louis. Oh, this is working pretty good. This is a moisturizer because if it's not, I'm gonna be in trouble. I hope it's not a shampoo. It's not shampoo. It would say shampoo. Oh, they added a nice shine to my hair. I think I got some more left. Let's get this here off the side of the bottle in my hand. Okay. Well, speaking of moisturizers, I wanted to update you guys on the Marks Lane Luster. One of you guys suggested that I would call the company itself to see what's going on, and sure enough, they said they don't make it no more. So, Marks Lane Luster will be no longer on sale or for sale. Oh man, that's gonna be so suckish. Oh well. Out with the old and in with the new. And last but not least, I have some Gloss So Good. Now this is a glosser. Usually glossers don't have any alcohol in it, and it's like a oil sheen without making your hair dry. I use that a lot sometimes. Here goes one of my glossers by Pink. So I usually put this on my hair when my hair is straightened, like if I flat iron and stuff. So I'm pretty excited about this. I don't see many naturals mentioning glossers. And I'm just going to take this cap off, and hopefully there is no, okay. Oh, that smells good. Yep, this is supposed to make my hair nice and shiny. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. So this is the Gloss So Good. So that is the end of Miss Jessie's haul. I can't get it out. So that is the end of Miss Jessie's haul. But I wanted to show you guys something else. I bought these 2 bottles of Herbal Essence. This is the Detox Black Charcoal Shampoo by Herbal Essence. It's called Bio Renew. And I have the conditioner too. Herbal Essence Bio Renew White Charcoal Conditioner. And I don't know, I just felt like I wanted to try this out because I like to use products that detox my hair. Well, I like to use shampoos that detox my hair. I don't do a lot of like herbal things in my hair to detox it. So I said, well, let me try that. I haven't tried it yet, but when I do, I'm gonna make sure you guys see me do it. What that look like? Oh, that's the conditioner. Can you all see what that looks like? Oh, that smells so good, guys. It's the white charcoal conditioner. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. Ooh, that smells good. And let's look at the shampoo. Oh, it's like a clear, or yeah, that's clear. Ooh, that smells good too. So we're gonna definitely play with these 2 new products. Okay guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you thumbs up, and if you didn't, make sure you thumbs up, and if you don't feel like thinking about if you did and didn't like it, thumbs it down. Okay, and yeah, I think I'm done. I think I'm done. Bye guys. Mwah.